Welcome back to Ham's Views, and today on the channel we're out back at Watson Settlement at an old abandoned pig farm called Genetiporc. It's about 20 minutes out back of my hometown. Had a bunch of sources telling me about it, told me to come check it out, so I figured, got the day off, it's Sunday. Let's go check her out, boys. As you can tell, a lot of people have been in here already. All the graffiti all outside. We'll come around the back here and go in where they corral the pigs in. If you dare enter. Challenge accepted. You can still smell the old pig shit. Wow, man. I don't know how long it's been abandoned, but it's been quite a few years. So we come to our first doorway. Long hallway to the left. Let's check out the right. This just takes you back outside. There's a tunnel down here, it's full of water. So we won't go down in there. Check out this room here. An empty little storage unit. Let's proceed down here. Oh, another corral for the pigs and stuff. Walk down through her, check it out. Not much in here, just an old empty unit. We entered through that one. Now we'll just walk back through and proceed down that hallway to that other room. So we come out this door, turn left, just an exit that leads outside, so turn here, go down the hallway, and go to the door to the left here. Check it out. Check out this first room. Not much left in here. Not sure what it's for, but it's a pretty big empty room. Down the hallway. To the left, we got another little storage unit, like the other one we seen earlier. Keep proceeding down the hallway. I am not sure what that is. It looks like possibly a big water tank. Help feed the pigs and stuff. We'll hydrate them, I guess, sorry. Turn here, go down. Another corral for the pigs. Open and empty. See all these old water pipes going through it? This is a big old unit, bud. And back out we go. Check out the other one on the other side, which is, I assume, just another big corral for the piggies. Yep. Another piggy corral. This is actually quite the big old unit. Pretty impressed, bud. So back out, up that hallway, and we'll check out them last few rooms. Take this first left, see what we got, bud. Little sink unit. Come through around. Open room. Door that leads outside. Come back in, go around here. Little room, hallway. Another little sink and cleaning unit. Down a small narrow hallway. Look what we got here. Nice little office room. Nice and clean. You can see the upkeep's very well in here. I'll step through and go through, see what we got in this last room. Looks like a staff washroom, possibly. Employee washroom. Back out of the unit we go. Well, that's Genetiporc, another little abandoned gem from your boy Ham. Thanks for watching. That's the end of this one. We'll find another unit for you soon. See you in the next one, boys. So as I was leaving, I seen this big long pipe that leads over to this, looks like a big round pool, so I went over and checked it out. And wouldn't you guess, this is like the feeding hole, like the watering hole that fed the plant for the pigs. Check this out. It's actually pretty gnarly, bud.